With an average salary of $96,000, AWS is one of the most in-demand skills in the tech industry. But unfortunately, in schools or colleges, we are either asked to cram the theory, or it's not at all taught. But no need to worry now, because we've got you covered. If you want to take your career to the next level, this course is for you. Hey everyone. Welcome to the Ultimate AWS Hands-On course, where we're going to unlock the power of cloud computing together. If you're a beginner, don't worry, because we're going to take you on a journey that's going to transform the way you develop applications, host websites, and more. And, if you are someone who already knows the basics, don't worry, because we have something in store for you as well. Have some patience, and we will discuss advanced topics also. In this course, you will learn about AWS, not in an old-fashioned, boring, theoretical way, but in an exciting way where we will do the hands-on, so you know how things actually work. This course is designed for everyone. From a fresher going to step into the corporate world to working professionals who want to upskill and get ahead of their coworkers. From entrepreneurs or business owners to students. Now, let's get started. So, what is AWS? AWS is a cloud computing platform that offers a wide range of services, such as computing power, storage, and databases. It's used by millions of customers worldwide, from startups to enterprises to government agencies. With AWS, you can easily host and manage your applications, store and manage your data, and even run machine learning algorithms and big data analytics. And the best part? All of this is possible without the need for expensive hardware or infrastructure. AWS operates in a massive network of data centers around the globe, and you can access all of its services from anywhere in the world. AWS is cost-effective, scalable, and offers high performance and reliability. So why should you learn AWS? Because it's not just about mastering a platform, it's about building skills that are in high demand in the tech industry. AWS skills are highly valued by employers, and can open up new career opportunities in fields such as cloud architecture, DevOps, and more. As you see in this graph, AWS controls 32% of the market share of a staggering $130 billion industry, which is growing at a very fast pace. This assures that AWS is in great demand, and its demand will only increase in the coming years. As discussed in the beginning of this video, the average salary of an AWS developer is $96,000. This is just the base pay. And with an average of around $23,000 additional compensation, the total pay amounts to a mouth-watering $120,000. So you can earn really good as well. Now, let's take a look at some real-world examples of AWS in action. From startups to Fortune 500 companies, AWS is the go-to platform for cloud computing. These companies use AWS to host their applications, store their data, and more. AWS has helped them to scale quickly, reduce costs, and improve their overall performance. So what are you waiting for? Join the millions of users already taking advantage of AWS and start your hands-on journey today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Like and subscribe.